Good morning, everybody. This is a Cuisinart sandwich grill. It's still in pretty good condition except for one thing. On the bottom of it, there's a plate that covers the entrance to the grill. And there's, I think there's a little fuse there. But this plastic part has snapped. It's snapped, I tell you. And the problem is this can be used, or it can be fixed with a little plastic welder I've got. But I've never had any plastic once welded that was as strong as the original part. And when this is used, there's a lot of pressure pushed down on this to flatten whatever's in the grill, and you snap it together. That's part of the design of the grill, and that's going to put a lot of pressure on this. This is very flimsy. I was thinking about making some pegs here. See, you could put some clay over these and then remove it and fill up the mold and get some little polyester resin or even epoxy. The problem is this material is difficult to glue to because it's made out of a certain type of plastic. What is that? It's not ABS, but it's not going to be easy to find something that will withstand the heat, and then also the fact that it's going to glue from one surface to another, even if you rough it up. So I was thinking about putting this back together with the welder, and then I looked at this slot here. What if I take a 1x2 and put a 1x2 and have it stick up about this far and put a screw through here so it can't come out? And I don't think it will get that hot to hurt the wood, and it would keep the plate from resting on the surface of the counter, and then I can continue to use this little bad boy. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to weld this together and then reattach it and add little 1x2 legs on each side. Maybe I could put some silver paint on them so they don't look as funky. So that's what we're going to do with this little Cuisinart sandwich grill.